Yo, EST for life. Kmc. Got a message. Yo, look, I got a message for my motherfucking creator. I ain't talking about the people upon this earth. Yeah, I'm talking if there's really a God, if there's really a motherfucking God, then when I get up to the top, then motherfucking gonna fucking snap his neck and throw him down to earth so I can feel the amount of fucking pain that I've always fucking felt, the way I've been living out in this motherfucking hell. Like, yeah, seeing people getting thrown up in a motherfucking cell to be bare cold, but nah, and then at least they ain't fucking dead up in the earth. Like, yeah, that's a motherfucking curse of living upon this earth. Like, yeah, you know what that means, but these motherfuckers, you can never understand the shit. Nah, they just can't understand the shit, cause nah, when you think about it, when you fucking think about it, yeah, when you fucking think about it, unless you experience the same pain as someone, then you will never ever truly understand, and that's straight fact. And even if you're under fucking standing, then it still don't mean that you two are actually gonna click. Like, yeah, but trust me, it happened to me a couple of times. So yeah, if you ever sit there and think that your stars have aligned, just know that even the God don't know whether shit's gonna be good deciding. Nah, you know what that means. But at the same time, G, yeah, gods can kill gods, and that's why I aim to get up to the top and then throw him down up upon the top, straight down to hell, like upon the fucking ring cage, yeah, and then slam him down straight through the fucking great ground. Like, yeah, you know that shit. Then he'll get killed by Lucifer right now, and shit, even if he don't go down to hell, yeah, he'll still be living upon this fucking earth. So then you know one thing for straight fucking certain, yeah, you know what that mean? You know what that mean? He's gonna die anyways, yeah, cause the people upon this earth can be worse than the devil sometimes. So every single time you think about it right now, like, yeah, you expect the devil to lie and try and fuck you over in life, but the one thing you never fucking expect is for people that you actually fucking know and you actually fucking care about to do the same shit to you that you think the devil's gonna do to you. Like, bruh. And that's why I don't trust no one. In fact, fuck it, I hope the devil's a chick so I can fuck her and bend her over and make some sort of devilish babies. Yeah, fuck it, might as well. Fuck it, might as well.